Bang! Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, January 25th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. Oh, my goodness. Ben, burn your asky, burn the shorts. No soup for you. Oh, my goodness. Can you say QE3? The Fed, the big story of the day, pushing out any possible rate hikes until the end of 2014. What a joke. It's such a joke. But basically that was an easing. They're not going to be selling any of their mortgage-backed securities they have on their books until 2015. Oh, my goodness. Gold up 50 around there. Broken out. Gone. Like the wind. Over 1,700. Gold is gone. The S&P's gone. He just gave the green light to own assets. Bottom line. Look at that daily chart to the moon, Alice. Now, consolidated 1, 2, 3, 4 days, right? Gone. Another leg up. The train has went on to another track that is northbound, and it just left the station. Are you getting on board? Oh, baby. I mean, as far as other news that came out last night, obviously there was a ton of data. London, GDP weaker than expected, down 0.2%. Mortgage approvals a little bit better. CBI, industrial order expectation a little bit better, negative 16. U.S. pending home sales, a freaking disaster. Remember, it was up 7.3% previous month. And house price index a little bit better. HPI, OFHEO, up 1%. New Zealand left rates unchanged as expected. The Kiwi to the freaking moon, Alice. Aussie Kiwi coming in nicely. Big reversal in Aussie Kiwi, baby. Aussie Kiwi was up almost 130 pips. Obviously, Australia. I mean, oh, baby. I don't think I could have given it to you folks on a better platter than I gave it to you last night. What do we say? Sell after Obama. That was pretty much the high. Got so much to talk about. Sell after Obama. Early Europe. And buy them back. Talk about finesse trade. Now, I got a little chopped up. I thought the Fed, S&Ps were coming in. I thought the market would come in initially on the Fed because they really didn't change any language. And I thought maybe, hey, this is a negative. But then I heard Bill Gross talk on PIMCO, and he was like, this is QE3. He's just like, this is, this is another easing by the Fed. I'm like, oh, my God, get long. Gold kept going up, and it made sense. Makes sense. Bottom line is that the Federal Reserve is going to try to keep rates as low as possible. But the bottom line is this. They have no clue. They know nothing. They're guessing. And you look at the 15 members, 3 think they have to, oh, I knew it, Netflix up big. 3 want to probably have to raise rates in 2012. These aren't voting members. 3 in 2013. Majority in 2014, 5. Then 15 and 16. They're clueless. They're data dependent. They know as much as we do. And things ain't good. But that Australian number, again, hopefully you folks were able to catch on my twit. Again, Voice of Forex. Hello. Voice of Forex is my Twitter. I twit it. Trim mean was better. Trim mean was up 0.6, and the revision was higher. To the moon, Alice. Yeah, the headline CPI number was only up 0, but it was only a miss of 0.2. When you look at this S&P chart, man, we are gone. Now, you got to be looking at this. That's like 1475. 1350 down to 1100. Measure the move. That's 250 S&P points, roughly. That's 1600. They have to carry me out in a body bag. Help me. 14.50, I'm laying it out. But you can't fight this tape. You cannot fight this tape. It was too easy today. Once the announcement was made, all you did was just buy on pullback. And again, I tweeted that too. I think I misspelled out. It was put, but you get the idea. And again, my fan page on Facebook is Voice of Forex2. Not 2. Voice of Forex as well. German IFO, 108.3 better number. What is going on there? Don't the Germans know the European economy is collapsing? I guess not. Dollar yen had a nice move up and then collapsed. As the Federal Reserve is going to keep rates at a low rate. That is not good for the yen. That's good for the yen, bad for dollar yen. I think dollar yen had a monster reversal. I think dollar yen is a dead short now. No soup for the bulls. The bears on the yen. Yep. The dogs agree. I'm babysitting. Quiet. So, looking at the numbers coming out tonight, we got Australian bank holiday. New Zealand left rates unchanged, as I've said before. The rebuilding from the earthquake, Canterbury area, Church Christ, is going to add big time. But New Zealand dollar strengthening is hurting exports, dairy products, but still, overall demand strong. And like I said, Branson at Virgin Airlines is building the biggest biofuel depot in the world in New Zealand. That's got to help too. Australian bank holiday. China bank holiday. Nothing out of Europe, really. Davos, day 2. German consumer climate. Big deal. We know it's good. Only real number, 6 a.m. Eastern, is London. CBI realized sales supposed to be down 2. Last month was up 9. London is in trouble. And I got to tell you, if London is in trouble, we're not far behind because, remember, we're cutting back. Obama talked a lot about expanding government. Unbelievable. He wants to create new watchdogs, new agencies. I mean, the man is sick in the head. Although, I got to tell you, some of his ideas are great. Love them. Infrastructure. Shovel-ready projects. Bringing capital home. Rewarding companies that bring manufacturing back to this country. Tax breaks. And taking away tax breaks for companies that outsource outside the U.S. I love it. He's full of crap. But the part that made me sick to my stomach, the part of the speech that really made me sick to my stomach, because he's such a liar, an absolute liar. The money we're going to save from not being in the Iraq war, let's use half of it to pay down the debt and the other half of it for, manufacturing jobs and jobs training. All these things sound great. But wait a second. Last I checked, we went into debt for the Iraq war. So wait, we're going to borrow money for the money that we're going to use to pay back down the debt that we didn't borrow for the Iraq war? I mean, where is the freaking logic? He must think the American people are dumb. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Nuts. So, but, I have to say, it certainly wasn't the worst speech in the world. The beginning sucked. Middle and end were pretty good. Certainly his analogy with troops, bipartisanship. He's a liar. He's a fat liar. He blocked everything. Republicans too, mind you. Absolutely. But some of the things he said could easily get done. It's crazy. And the payroll tax, permanent? Is he out of his freaking mind? He's really. I mean, really. Anyway, there's my rant. Durable goods. Coming up tomorrow, big number. Unemployment claims, big number. Will we see the trend continue to break 350? Core durable goods supposed to be up 0.9. Headline with transportation up 2.1. New home sales supposed to be 321. No idea. Leading index up 0.7. Excuse me, and that's it. But durable goods unemployment claims, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, big numbers. You look at this S&P, excuse me, we should be gone. We should be gone. The Fed just gave hedge fund managers and anyone looking to buy stocks the green light. I think I have the hiccups. So you look at this chart. I mean, look, we worked off the overboughtness. We're holding the 10 exponential. Grinding higher. I call this the dribble. The dribble, and then there's an explosion. I mean, this is a death grind. Hugging the 10 exponential. Look at this. Hugging it. Ready for an explosion. Ready for a move like this. That could be tomorrow. Then maybe it's over. But 1350 looks like a fait accompli. And then I think we back and fill. We might rally into February. This whole thing is nuts. Because they don't even know where the economy is going. They don't even know if we're going to have inflation or not. They're clueless. But they're ready to act in either way if they need to. Okay? It's a joke. Let's take a look. Dollar index. Sorry. I know I made you wait a long time. But, you know. But again, Aussie was tremendous. Hopefully you booked some of your trades. Hopefully you got out. Maybe you got short. And as I told you, just because Apple was good doesn't mean that the market isn't going to sell off. And that's exactly what happened. But, of course, Bernanke, Helicopter Ben, saved the bearded collie, saved the day. The bearded wimp. Sick. Dollar index under 79.50 is a short. It is done. You know, 78.50. Certainly should be easy. And you know what? Again, you do your fib. As I've done before. That's 79.11. It's only 30 cents. That's 79.04. Certainly 78.23. And then, of course, my 77.50 level, which if you notice, look at that. The golden retrace. Remember, as time goes on, we grind over, this channel line will catch up. Right? This channel line will catch up to 77.50. Obviously, what happened today, no. But that's 2 cents on the Dixie is a lot. So we could grind lower. We're going to hit 77.50. Big time. That's a golden retracement. Bernanke just gave the green light to buy stocks. You know, I'll never forget Tepper coming on and said, I can't lose. If the Fed raises rates, the economy is doing amazing. Corporate earnings are going to be great. I win. If the economy collapses or doesn't do that well, not collapse, but doesn't do that well, Fed's going to come to the rescue. I can't lose. Crazy, but true. But you look at this dollar index, and it's below 79.50. Looks terrible. Gold is gone. And again, I hope you got my twit. I didn't mention gold, but oh yeah, that was easy. That was the easiest move in gold. Look at that. Bang! Gone. Like the wind. To the moon, Alice. Broke out. It's gone. Printing, 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 printing. Fed going to continue to print. Printing, printing, printing. Hello. 1750, easy. Easy. 1800. Do your fib. $17.67. Bang. There you go. Hi-ho silver looks amazing too. Euro, dollar. Gone. 132. Here we come. Outside candle. Closing almost at the highs. This is a monster BOP. It don't get no better than that. Euro sterling reversed. Everything. And the initial reports were the Greece ECB rejecting. Did not want to take a haircut. But I'd say that German IFO helped things out. Ben Bernanke to the rescue once again. But Euro sterling, a nice reversal. It's going higher. One of my many losers today. I made money today just because, rode the dollar down, but I got chopped up a little. Aussie was great, but Euro sterling, it's turning. You know how I feel about 2012, but you know what? This thing looks like it's turning. It's trying to break this whole downtrend channel line. Oh, it did. That's a fib, I know, but you see the line. So, this thing looks like it wants to fly. Any good news out of Europe? To the moon. Absolutely. Euro yen breaking out. Even though dollar yen, in my opinion, is now a short interest rate differential. And last I checked, rates in the U.S. are going to be held till 2015. Nuts. So dollar yen, I think, is not going to continue this move. And dollar yen, we had a nice reversal, too. But all right, I'll show it now. Remember, people, premium, you're nuts. You missed out. If you lost money today, what are you waiting for? We knocked the cover off the ball. If you don't know what's going on in this market, I do. And you can come in and ask the other members. Kicked ass and took names. New Zealand. Analyzing the news. If you don't know what you're doing, you need to learn something. 18 years in this freaking business, people. Enough. You stupid freebies. Stop wasting your time losing money. Learn something. Let me teach you to fish. Oh, baby. That's it. $200 a month or $13.25 for the whole year. Or no soup for you. Damn it. What was I looking for? Dollar yen? I have that somewhere. Hopefully I could switch to the daily. Come on, daily. Give it to me. Shit, froze. Gosh, darn it. Well, there we go. Not really. The hell's that? I'll give you this. Look at that monster shooting star. It's only 40 pips. 50. Not a joke. It's a short. Interest rate differential coming into play. All right, they tried to take it out. You got this monster wick. This sucker is toast. Dollar yen is a short. It's a dollar play. Tried to break it out. Couldn't hold it. And now we reversed. It's a sell. Sell, 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 sell. Oh, baby. You're Canada. Going up. A little bit of a doji, but it still looks like it wants to grind higher. Euro sterling looks like it wants to explode. This euro, any good news, this baby's to the moon. Stay on the sidelines. Do not short it. Don't do it. This one, DC, dollar Canada. Say goodnight. Outside candle. Look at it. Took out the high. Closed below previous day lows. This is a new multi-month low. It is toast. It has broken the wedge. It is time to melt down. You get a good durable goods number out of the U.S., this sucker is going to collapse. It's broken the whole wedge, rolling over, arcing. Say bye-bye. Blue Horseshoe loves this trade. Oh, baby. Blue Horseshoe, working out. Dollar Swiss. Betty Good. Outside candle. Another one. SOS. Sell any shade. Look at that. Got up to 93.52. Monster. Monster can't. Love this trade. Love it. Wasn't looking very good. You know, a little pain. Sometimes you got to go through a little pain. The VIX collapsed again. Sterling. Look at that outside candle also. Gone. Going to 57.50. Triple top. Another 100 pips left in it, baby. Jenny, I got your number. I can't get it out of my head, Jenny. It's all your fault. You probably don't even remember the song. Or you're too young. 8675309. I'll give you 2 days free membership if you tell me who that was. 2-day access. Name that tune. Cable going to 5760. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Pound yen. Oh, my goodness. Hello. A little overbought. And again, I'm bearish on dollar yen. I don't like these yens. As a matter of fact, I'm looking to be short pound yen, long cable, pound dollar. Pound Aussie. Toast. Done. Finished. Look at that chart. Can you say pole flag? Pole? El Collapso. El sell any strength. I love this short. Love it. Listen, this thing is toast. It's closing a new multi-year low. This thing is ready to melt down. This thing might go to 140. Pound Kiwi also. Look at this sucker. This thing might really melt down. We take out 90, it's done. Pound Canada. This one. I'm telling you, this Canadian dollar has to play catch up. Now with gold and all the metals, oh, baby. I love this trade. Look at that. Right into, me. I love to sell on strength, right? Top of the channel to you. Top of the muffin to you, No soup for you. Maybe you watched Seinfeld. Maybe you didn't. Hello. Hugh, it's for non-members. But look at this pound Canadian. It's going lower. Dollar Canada's going to have a monster day tomorrow. I feel it. I can feel it. We'll talk tomorrow. We'll see, won't we? Aussie, gone. Broken out to the moon. Alice. You might see a melt up now. Melt up of biblical proportions. I mean, right up to 110. We might even go up to 112. Certainly tonight, I don't see why we can't make a run for here. The triple top. The trifecta. 107 and change. Thank you, sir. May I have another? I can't. Kiwi, gone. To the moon. Alice. 82.50. Easy. Easy. All right. Well, I'm doing my 25-minute again, huh? Aussie Kiwi. There's too many trades. I didn't even do the yens. Luna yen didn't really work that well. I'm nervous with the yens again because of interest rate differential. This one, I don't know. Made a little trade in, actually, on the downside after Kiwi. No change in rates, but still. I don't know. This one, it looks terrible, but I'm nervous. But, listen, if it doesn't take out 130.50, it's a dead short. It's a dead short. I love this trade. So, well, if you're a listener of mine, All right, everyone. Euro going up. The train is on a new northbound track, and it left the station. Are you going to get on board? Are you going to try my service? Are you going to stop trading and not knowing why the market's moving? I always know. 99 out of 100. We might not always get it right, but I usually know what the hell's going on. And if you're trading in the blind, what are you thinking? 2 months with me, you'll know what the hell's going on. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio. You jerky freebies, the only one. The only one. The only voice you will ever need who truly loves to make you money. Ching, ching. Have a good night. Info at globalfxllc.com. Bye-bye.